On a calm, foggy morning up on Hume's Rear Road in Wagmatcook, the perfect setting to hit the trail. Today we're joining a crew of passionate hikers for an adventure into Hume's River Falls. It's sponsored by Baffin and Escape Outdoors in Hike, Nova Scotia. I'll put a link in the description to those below. Check them out. Baffin got some cool boots. I gotta go over and see them because they got a pair that I might end up buying.
Slowly trying to get back into it. Like I try to go walking and then
These ones, huh? Whose color's orange? Mine.
Here to there without dying.
Well, what's interesting too, like in the 10K, there was 3 or 4 older women, or they may have been the same age as me.
Yeah.
They were
Awesome.
doing the 30-second run.
I'm gonna end up buying those. You just wait and see. All right, we're gonna get going. We'll start in. See everybody when we get in there. I'm gonna take a break before we go any further. It's a long hike. I've been going so long. We started right over there. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. We'll try. Just a blanket of leaves. Absolutely gorgeous.
Don't move, I just can't sit still. When he sleeps, he doesn't move.
Oh, that's what he was. No, 2 and 4.
This is what's great with the group hikes. Like Jamie here, I know Jamie. I don't know this guy, we just met him. But I mean, you get to meet like-minded people, you know, build friendships, have a good laugh, enjoy the outdoors.
Casual.
Sweet! Okay, I was still waiting for the crossroads, and we're just going and going and going. This is where we turn into the woods.
You missed
Awesome!
the crossroads.
I did miss the crossroads.
I won't be getting up there.
We're further than we're much further than I thought we were. Awesome. Lots of great people out enjoying it. I always love this part. When we first get into the wooded section off the trail, or off the road, sorry. Old chimney and foundation. Would love to have seen what was here many, many years ago. There's the old foundation there. Some old steel pieces. And God knows what. This is here on the right. There's a trail they cut in to go to McNaughton's Falls. I've never been up to those, but I'm definitely gonna have to do it one of these days. But let's get down to the brook and see what we got. All right, we're almost down to it. I can hear people. I can still hear water flowing. I'm surprised. It's been pretty dry this year.
Come down the wrong way.
I think that's just your time. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's my wife, Erin.
Okay. See? Did I hear someone else? No.
Oh, 2 more.
Last ones, aren't we?
Ready to go this way?
Yep.
Thank you.
No problem.
Not very, very slow, but.
No, that's okay.
All right, we're just climbing out of the little valley from the brook. Oh, a couple hikers coming out. Come here. Come here. Hello, how are you? Huh? How are you? It's okay. We're dog people. We're very doggy people. I'm just working on our last push-up before we head down into the ravine and into Humes River Falls. That didn't almost happen.
I'm surprised it was you that just did that. You can see Wall Trail, man.
I know.
John, you made it.
Quick down there.
Nice job.
I got the drone down there flying. I'm going to go catch it now. What an incredible turnout this has been. From the second I got down here, I've been non-stop running around, flying the drone, just excited. I'm just taking 2 minutes to take this all in before I head back out. It's a beautiful spot. I guess it's time to start heading up. One thing about fall hikes, there are probably 30 people came through here already, and it's hard to tell anyone walked through with all the leaves. Just make our way through this last beautiful section before we descend down into the old logging road.
It's hard up ahead.
And I'm dying.
You're dying.
Yeah.
You made it though.
Yay!
Huh?
I made
Aren't you
it.
happy?
In a few minutes I will be.
In a few minutes. Oh, that was an awesome hike. They're still set up down here. Everybody's taking. Oh, what are we getting for free? Okay.
From Escape Outdoors.
Excellent. Thank you.
You earned them.
See you down. See ya.
Yes, there you go.
Well, that's it. We're all done. They're just packing up now. Had an excellent hike. Legs are a little sore. I need to practice a little more, or I'm getting old, one of the two. But that's it for today's adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. take care. All right, Aaron and I were here at Humes River Falls. So yeah, we're gonna have, what is she?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm knitting.
Oh my God. Oh. No, I'm just joking. We were just doing a little spoof for you.